Hit you up 9:30. Say let's go for a ride. City lights in the sky. Top down, close my eyes. We got no place to be. Driving around aimlessly. Thinking about the past and now leave the.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining, hi, my name is Uzo and I'm a content creator based in Lagos, Nigeria. And if you're a returning subscriber, what it do, boo? I'm so excited today. I don't know why, but I've tried to make it a self-conscious thing to just be excited about life basically and just make myself happy no matter the situation I find myself in. So yeah, I'm happy. But anyway, today I'm going to be testing out a few products. So I recently got some products from Blossom Makeup and I'll be demoing them today. I don't have anywhere I'm going, but I'm just going to do some house chores and just live and test this makeup, like do a wear test for you guys. But without rambling too much, let's get right into the video. So first off, we're going to do our skin prep, and yeah, you know, that's the most important thing. So I'm just taking a hydrating mist. And my trusty moisturizer. Yeah. So for primer, I'm going to be taking the Messmetics or Messmetics Water Jelly Primer. You guys, I'm almost out of this sample. You guys, I'm almost out of the sample size. But the money to buy a new one, it ain't cheap, baby. But it's definitely worth it. So yeah, that's an investment. And with the way shipping and all this thing costs right now, Nigerian brands are the way to go, because you cannot be paying the same amount for the product and for shipping. Do you get? If you don't get it, forget about it. So while this is drying, I'm just going to go ahead and do my brows and I'll be right back. So that took like a hot minute, but this is what the foundation looks like. I actually like the packaging because it's different from everything that I've seen in the Nigerian market. However, the fact that this looks like a popular brand, well, so this is what it looks like. It's thick. So I finally got it out of the bottle. It's weather that is changing like this. It's just the disadvantage with filming with natural lights. Anything can happen. Okay. So the thing that attracted me to this foundation basically was the fact that it was oil free. The other one that I used, which was Flawless Ivy, isn't really oil free. I don't think it's oil free because I didn't see it anywhere in the packaging, but let's see how this one performs. So far so good. So far so good. Trust me to always have a song for every line. I think I'm liking it. It's definitely not hard to blend, so this is what my skin is looking like after one coat. It's supposed to be a full coverage foundation, yeah, but this is what my skin looks like. I think this has a red undertone. I'm not a makeup artist, so I really don't know about undertones and stuff. My Flawless Ivy, I think it had like a warm undertone, but this looks like it has a red undertone. Correct me if I'm wrong, but the coverage is beautiful. Let's give it that. Let me just apply what I have left on my hand so that it doesn't waste. And I'm just going to apply this to my cheek area because that's where I have like my major spots. So I went ahead to do my concealer. Now I'm going to set it with the Blossom setting powder, and this is in the shade Banana. So it also comes with this fluffy powder brush. I don't think I have any use for it at the moment, so we're just going to keep it aside. Well, when I put this up on my story, Bookie commented and said it was a good powder, so I'm really hoping that it works for me. The Makeup Revolution one doesn't really work for me, so I was actually looking for another powder because mine had finished. The Glam Girls that I was using had finished, so I'm really hoping that this works. So this is what the powder looks like. It's really yellow. But let's see. So I'm just pressing this underneath my eyes to set the concealer before I go into bake. That's if I bake. So I'm currently on the hunt for like good Nigerian brands, and I don't mean the ones that are just selling name, because most of these brands end up being shit. Immediately no. Immediately no. What's not clicking, Steven? Who is this? Nah, this ain't right. This ain't right. Nope. No. Let me just go ahead and do the rest of my face and see if we can make this work. I don't even know what I look like, but it ain't me. I don't look like me. Nah, bruh, nah. I think I need to go in with my Glam Girls. Next, we're going to go in with the Blossom HD Compact Powder, and this is in the shade 07. Let's see if this can salvage the situation. So it comes with a sponge, and this is what the powder looks like with a mirror. Nah, this is too dark for me. This is too dark for me. Honestly, I'm underwhelmed, and I wouldn't really blame it on Blossom makeup. First off, the makeup artist that recommended this shade, I really feel for what you do to your models or your clients, because you don't know what you're doing. I think I actually like the coverage of the powder, just that this isn't my shade. This under eye still, situation hasn't been salvaged, guys. It hasn't. So I had to go in with my Milani powder because he wasn't given, but I think this is better. So I'm just going to finish up the rest of my face, do my eyes, and I'll be right back. Oh my god, you guys, this look is giving like I'm in love, like giving you 90s vibe, you know, like, can you guys see the vibe? Let me know. Giving you 90s vibe, like this green gold highlighter moment, chef's kiss. Yeah, so this is my final look. I absolutely love it. I know it's given, even if you don't tell me, I know it's given. So for my lashes, I used the TT lashes and it's in the shade Long Island. Yeah, and for my eyes, I used the Focalure Secret palette, and this is what it looks like inside. And this was the shade that I used. So it's currently 4 o'clock. Please ignore my screen. And I'm just going to go about my chores. I need to prepare some products, tidy up this mess I have created, clean my room, and a lot of that shebang, and also eat, make food. I'm hungry. So I would come back in like about 4 or 5 hours, and I'll let you guys see how it looks afterwards, how much oil seeps through and all that good stuff. But yeah, so it's currently 9:35, and so that means I've had this makeup on for about 9 hours, 5 hours 30 minutes. Yeah. I look like a grease ball, you guys, but it's expected. It's expected. I'm just going to take a tissue and try and blot out the oil, and let's see how the makeup looks afterwards. So yeah, this is how my face looks after blotting. This is what my tissue looks like. I don't think it's bad actually. My forehead, you can tell that there's a little bit of smudging. Let me see if I can bring you guys closer. So if you can see, there's a bit of smudging on my forehead, but aside that, my face, it's pretty okay. If I reapply my powder, it's going to look good as new. I'm going to put some side-by-side pictures. This is a picture of me, or this is a video of me while I was cooking, heat and all of that, so sweat was expected. And this is me after my face had dried down. So yeah, I feel like the foundation is actually a very good deal. So yeah, my final thoughts on the Blossom makeup. This foundation was given. I loved how it looked on my skin, even though I don't think it was the right undertone. I absolutely love how it came out overall. The HD compact powder, yeah, this powder is actually nice. I don't think I got the right shade, but I think I can still make it work with my other face powders. So this I would still keep in my stash. It's still a yes for me. You see this one here, it just fell, like it just fell and ruined my floor. This powder right here, it didn't work for me. I'm very sure it works for other people, but it didn't work for me. I totally look like a clown, and it wasn't just working, so it's a no for me. So another product I forgot to mention is the brow gel. This is what I use to tint my brows. I absolutely love this product. I love the color payoff that it gives, and it actually kind of makes your lashes stay in place. And I don't know how else to describe it, but this brows ain't moving. They are not moving anywhere. Cause see, and I used a waxy pencil. So yeah, these are my final thoughts on the Blossom makeup. Let me know, which other brand would you like me to try? Have you tried out Blossom makeup? What's your favorite products from them? Let me know in the comment section below. Let's interact. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.